Welcome to day 19 of your 30-day yoga challenge. Today we will do a simple, straightforward, full body yoga stretch. Let's begin in seated position. Place your hands behind you for support. Position your feet around mat distance apart. And lower your knees a few times side to side in this windshield wiper movement. Just to warm up the lower body a bit. Let's do one more round. And then cross your legs. Place your feet underneath your knees. Sit up comfortably. With inhale, lengthen the spine. And with exhale, fold forward. Take a few deep breaths into the back of the body. Notice any sensations around your lower back and hips. Slowly come back into seated position and switch the cross of your legs. Ground the sit bones down. On the inhale, lift your heart, lengthen the upper body. And with exhale, fold forward. Take a few breaths on this side. Notice if switching the cross of the legs changes the sensation of the stretch on your hips and back. Slowly come back into seated position. Straighten your right leg and place your left foot on the outside of your right thigh. Hug your left leg with your right arm, sit up tall. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, twist, release your fingers down, look back over your left shoulder. Inhale, breathe deeply into your rib cage. Exhale, twist a tiny bit more to the left. Come back to center and switch sides. Straighten your left leg. Right foot to the outside of the left leg. Hug your knee. On the inhale, lift your right arm up. With exhale, twist. Look back over your right shoulder. Keep breathing deeply, hugging your right knee in towards your chest. With inhale, creating more space. With exhale, twisting a bit more. Come back to center and make your way to your hands and knees, tabletop position. Place your wrists underneath your shoulders and turn your hands so that the fingers point back towards your knees. You might already feel some stretch on the wrists here. If you need to intensify the stretch, gently sit your hips back towards your heels. Find that stretch on the wrist and forearm. Take a few breaths. Slowly release and change your hand position so that the fingers still point back and palms are turned up to the ceiling. Again, you may already feel some stretch staying in this position. If you need to go deeper, slowly sit back, find the stretch on the opposite side of the wrists and forearms. Be gentle to your wrists. Release your hands and just place them in the standard tabletop position, palms down. Straighten your right leg. Release toes to the floor and press your heel back and down towards the floor to stretch the calf. You can stay still or rock a little back and forth, pressing the heel down. Bring your right knee back to tabletop and then turn to the right side. Straighten your left leg and reach your left arm over the head for a big side stretch. You can simply stay here or circle your left arm a few times. Add in more movement, more stretch into the shoulder and chest. Return back to tabletop. Straighten your left leg back, toes down on the floor, and press your heel back and down, stretching your left calf. Bring the knee back into tabletop position and then pivot to your left side. Straighten the right leg, straighten the right arm over the head, and just like on the other side, stay in your side bend or circle your right arm back a few times. Come back into tabletop on your hands and knees. Bring the knees together. Sit down to your heels. Extend your arms forward and cross your right arm over the left. Bend the elbows for eagle arms. Catch your right wrist with the left hand. Or as an option, place your hands on top of your shoulders. Lift your elbows high, shoulder height or even higher. Take a few breaths into the upper back area around the shoulder blades. One more big inhale. Exhale around the back. Elbows to chest or to the belly. Drop your chin down and stay for a few more breaths, staying still or rocking again side to side, just feeling what feels good on the back. Slowly lift your head. With inhale, reach your arms out to the sides, lift your heart. And exhale, switch the cross of the arms, left arm over the right. Find your eagle arms variation. And lift your elbows high. Stay for a few breaths, breathing into the upper back. Inhale, try to lift your elbows a little bit higher. And with exhale, round the spine, drop your chin to the chest and stay for a few more breaths in stillness or rocking side to side. With your next breath, lift your head, reach your arms out to the sides, and exhale, release your hands down. Place your hands down and step your right foot forward to the outside of the mat, hands are on the inside. Lizard pose. Walk your left knee back as far as comfortable for the hips. Try to soften the area around the hips, let the hips melt towards the ground. Your front foot, right foot, can stay flat, or you can roll to the outer edge of the foot if that's good for your ankle and knee. Take a few breaths. Feeling into the stretch around your hips. You may feel it more on the front of the left hip and thigh, somewhere on the groin, inner thighs, maybe also on the back of your front leg, on the hamstrings. Slowly bring your right leg back and switch sides. Step your left foot forward, move your right knee back. Find a comfortable stretch on this side. Keeping your front foot flat or rolling to the outer edge of the foot, opening the knee a little to the side. Find what works for your body. Take one more breath in lizard. And then tuck your back toes under and step your right foot forward to come into yoga squat. Separate your feet as wide as comfortable. Sit into deep squat, keeping your hands on the mat or bringing the palms to your heart. So you can press your knees out with your elbows. Take one more big breath here. And then release your sit bones to the mat. Cross your legs or find another comfortable seat. Release your shoulders away from the ears and lower your right ear to your right shoulder for a side neck stretch. Soften your face, unclench the jaw, relax the shoulders. Slowly switch sides, lower your left ear to your left shoulder. Find a stretch on the right side of the neck. And bring your head back to center to finish this class with one more breath together. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, bring palms to your heart. And open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this yoga stretch. This was day 19 of your everyday yoga challenge. I wish you a nice day and see you tomorrow for day 20. Bye!